In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem an Amazon gift card. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a gift card's value to your Amazon account so it's ready to spend, plus a few helpful tips to avoid common hiccups. First, locate your gift card claim code. If you have a physical card, gently scratch off the protective panel on the back to reveal the code underneath. Take your time so you don't damage the characters. If your card was sent digitally, open the email you received and look for the section labeled Claim Code. That's the only code you need to redeem. It's different from any long serial number. Keep this code private and look closely when typing it. Characters like O and 0 or B and 8 can be easy to mix up. Now, let's redeem it on the Amazon website using a desktop or a mobile browser. Go to Amazon.com or your local Amazon site if you're outside the United States and sign in. Make sure you're using the account you want the funds to go to, because balances are tied to your specific account and usually to your country site. At the top right, open Account and Lists, then click your account. Find and select Gift Cards. You can also go straight to the redeem page by visiting amazon.com/gcs-redeem if that's easier. Choose Redeem a Gift Card. Then carefully enter your claim code exactly as shown, without spaces or extra characters. Click Apply to your balance. You should see a confirmation message along with your updated gift card balance. If something doesn't look right, double-check for typos and confirm you're on the correct country site. If you're planning to buy something right away, you can redeem during checkout instead. Add the items you want to your cart and proceed to checkout. In the payment section, select Gift Card, enter your claim code, and apply it. Your order total will decrease by the gift card amount. If the card doesn't cover the full cost, your default payment method will automatically handle the remaining balance, so you can complete the purchase without interruption. A few quick tips before we wrap up. If you're not shopping immediately, redeeming to your account first is convenient. The balance will be ready and will auto-apply to eligible orders. Hang on to your card or email until you see the confirmation on your balance page. And for security, only enter your code on Amazon's official site while signed in. Never share it by message or over the phone. That's it. Your Amazon gift card is redeemed and ready to use. Happy shopping!